Hello again, this is Joel Molina, and today I'm going to talk to you about three things that need to be in every contract. Number one, the first thing that needs to be in every contract before you sign off on it is choice of law. Choice of law means if you're entered the contract with somebody, especially if it's on an international or cross-border basis, on a national scale and international scale, you need to figure out if something goes wrong, what law you're going to abide by. If your counterpart to the contract is in Nebraska and you reside in New York, which law may be best for one side or the other, or for both parties to choose in that case. Um, that's something that many people overlook, and it's something that should always be considered. The next thing is venue. If you're gonna get into the contract again with someone, it could be someone in a different county, a different part of the state. You need to know if there's a dispute, pardon me, where are you going to settle it? Are you going to settle it in their county, their state, or your city or your state? These things need to be covered and very, very important. Not deciding these things could not only give you a disadvantage, but also could end up costing you a lot of money. And finally, but definitely not least, you need to make sure that you are discussed before you sign off on the contract a dispute resolution mechanism. Dispute resolution mechanism basically is if you guys have an impasse for whatever reason, or a disagreement, how are you going to solve it? Do you run off to court? Do you try to mediate it? Do you go to independent third parties? Do you go to arbitration? The trend over the past few years, for quite some time now, actually, is to settle matters first through mediation and then through arbitration. Whatever you decide, make sure that you cover this before you sign for any contract. My name is Joel Molina. If I can ever be of help, joelmolina.com is where you can find me. If you're watching on social media, I ask you to please drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Have a great day.